Hello friends, welcome to St. Thomas School. This video is prepared for class 7th social study first lesson 2 big state. First one is Kanauj. Kanauj's great king was Harshvardhan, who was born in 606 and died in 647. He was born in 606 CE after the death of his father Prabhakar Vardhan. Harshvardhan's elder brother Rajavardhan ascended the throne of Thaneshwar, but in short period of time, king of god Shashank killed him and Rajashri, their sister, was imprisoned by the king of Malwa. Under these circumstances, as advised by the leader of the kingdom, Harshvardhan shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar. After ascending the throne, he decided to free his imprisoned sister Rajyasri. In the meanwhile, she had escaped from the clutches of Devgupt and ran away into Vindhya forest. He went into the search of his sister with the help of the people living in the forest and a Buddhist hermit, Dwarikamitra. He stopped her from committing sati. Since Rajyasri's kingdom, Kanauj, was without any king at that time, Harshvardhan became its ruler. Later he defeated Devgupta, king of Malwa. As a part of preparation to launch an attack on Shashank, the god king, he formed an alliance with the king of Kamrup, Assam, Bhaskar Verma, with the help of a large army, and defeated the god king and won over a major part of his kingdom. He was also conquered Malwa and Saurashtra, but unsuccessful in defeating Pulkeshi II, that which we will study in the second part of our this lesson. Now, let us see what was the system of Harshvardhan's ruling and administrative system. He divided his daily routine into the three parts. The first was administrative purpose, while other two parts were devoted to the public welfare and religious activity. He was diligent in carrying out his administrative responsibility that at times he even forgot to have his meal also. Now, this is very important point, things to know. He has appointed some ministers, mantri, and some chief of that time, which are called as a different name, commander in chief of the army, then Pratihar, then Sandhi Vigrahak, then Rajdut, then Pararajya Mantri, Mahadandanayak, and Akshar Patleka. Imprisonment made by the Harshvardhan is that he was a very enthusiastic king. He made some rest house, wells, stepwell, lake, mud, viharas, and also prohibited animal slaughter. He was also organizing Buddhist religious meet at end of every 5 years, so all can come and discuss the religious subject of that time. Many poets such as Banbhat adorn his court, and Harsh Charitra and Kadambari are famous even today. It is also a study part in our subjects in university level. Harshvardhan's Harsh Charitra was very popular of that time. He also wrote 3 plays, Naganand, Ratnavali, and Priyadarshika. In our second part, we will more discuss about Nalanda University and other points.